Hey there, new moms! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you a helpful breast pump tutorial. Whether you're a first-time mom or a seasoned pro, we've got you covered. Now, let's dive right in. The first step is to make sure you're comfortable. Sit back, relax, and find a position that works for you. Next, attach the breast shield to the pump. It's important to choose the right size to ensure a comfortable fit. Once you're all set up, turn on the pump and adjust the suction to a comfortable level. Remember, you can always increase or decrease the suction as needed. Now, it's time to express your milk. Start by massaging your breast to stimulate milk flow. Once the milk starts to flow, adjust the suction to maintain a comfortable level. And there you have it, a quick and easy breast pump tutorial. We hope this helps you on your breastfeeding journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and advice. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.